Live visuals that are coming in from Hathras in UP with the visuals coming of Rahul Gandhi, who is on his way to Hathras in Uttar Pradesh. And my colleague Poulami Saha is standing by at the DND where there is heavy police deployment. Let's get all those visuals. Let's run one live visual of us showing you Rahul Gandhi on his way to Hathras, the kind of police deployment at the DND, and the third set of visuals where the police is currently meeting the victims' next of kin at Hathras as well. Priyanka is accompanying Rahul Gandhi from what you can see. It remains to be seen whether or not there is a political face-off, but the kind of police deployment that we're seeing on ground at DND clearly points towards another face-off, another deja vu like the one we saw. He has made an attempt earlier as well. He was stopped on the Yamuna Expressway. He started walking. There was a scuffle between the police and the Congress leaders, including Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi. And now this is the second attempt that he's making, along with 35 other members of the Congress party as well. Just about a while back, they've left from the Congress headquarters. They have a resolve. He's even in fact put out a tweet saying that come what may, he wants to meet the victim's kin, and he will. But there is another catch to it, whether or not the UP administration will allow him to go and meet the victims next of kin, given the heavy police deployment you're seeing not just in Hathras but on DND, which happens to be on the way to UP when you cross Delhi. My colleague Poulami Saha is joining us from DND flyover, which is the point they will have to cross to get out of Delhi and enter into UP. Poulami, what is the kind of police deployment that we're seeing? And this police deployment clearly indicates to just one thing, and of course the fact that he was stopped before at the Yamuna Expressway, that perhaps he's going to be stopped again.
Well, that definitely is the UP police's intention, because you can look at the deployment right behind me over here, Chetty. I'll ask my camera person Anil Jaiswal to give you a better picture of the police deployment here at the toll on the DND, which is on the Delhi-Noida way. This is on the Delhi side that we're standing right now, and you can see the cop and the deployment, the heavy deployment over here. I'll show you there are at least two lines of cops who are in fact standing by over here. This is much higher in terms of deployment than 2 days ago, when you saw both Priyanka Gandhi and Rahul Gandhi try to, of course, go all the way to Hathras. They were stopped at Yamuna Expressway and then detained by the cops over there itself. There was a scuffle that broke out as well. Congress workers have gathered in large numbers over here, Chetty, in order to, of course, join that motorcade of Rahul Gandhi and the members of parliament of the Congress party, who are, of course, with Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi. You can see over here, these are the Congress workers who have gathered over here. They've been here for a couple of hours now. They are already sloganeering, already charged up, because they've got word, Chetty, that in fact Rahul Gandhi, Priyanka Gandhi and the members of parliament of the Congress party have left from 10 Janpad and are en route to, in fact, the DND to cross over into Uttar Pradesh.
What is the kind of sloganeering that we're seeing from the Congress party workers who have gathered over there at the DND? What is the kind of sloganeering that they have resorted to as Rahul Gandhi is making his way onto the DND to cross Delhi to enter Uttar Pradesh on his way to Hathras?
Well, the slogans over here, Chetty, that they're raising is, against the UP administration, against UP Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath, saying the kind of administration and the state of affairs that has been seen on the ground will not be tolerated. You can already see they're constantly trying to move towards the toll, which is the midpoint where, of course, from where you cross over from Delhi to Noida, and the cops are stopping them constantly because they're trying to move forward. Every time they try to sloganeer and move forward, the cops have been stopping them. The cops are constantly keeping an eye and vigil. They have been here since the morning, the deployment, and it has only increased since we saw this morning the deployment. And now, of course, they're all out in full force, standing by, because they've already, like I said, got word that Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi are already en route from their residence at 10 Janpad onwards towards Hathras. Like I said, Hathras is 200 kilometers, about 200 kilometers from Delhi, 160 odd from here itself, and you cross over to Uttar Pradesh. But clearly the Uttar Pradesh police's intention is very clear, that they will not be allowing the Congress party leaders to proceed any further like they did the last time round when, like I said, a scuffle broke out between the Congress party leaders. Rahul Gandhi, of course, was pushed. He fell down as well. And then, of course, both leaders, Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi, were in fact detained by the cops over there and then driven all the way, escorted all the way back into Delhi and dropped there. Today, of course, like you said, like you told our viewers, Rahul Gandhi has made his intention absolutely clear that nothing possibly can stop me from going and meeting the family members of the Hathras victim. We stand with them. Priyanka Gandhi has already challenged the need for a narco test of the family members, which was, of course, announced in a press note yesterday from the ACS home of Uttar Pradesh government, that this is what the SIT has recommended. The SIT has recommended the suspension of these 5 cops, including former SP of Hathras, Vikrant Veer, and other 4 cops, and of course has recommended that everyone, including cops and the victim's family, everyone should undergo a polygraph and a narco test, something which is being contested and opposed by a lot of activists and opposition parties, saying, why is the victim's family being put through this kind of an ordeal? They've already faced a lot. They've lost their daughter. They have not been able
I would just request you to take a moment and show our viewers the kind of police deployment and the state resources that have been used by the UP administration to stop an opposition leader like Rahul Gandhi from entering Uttar Pradesh eventually, who is making his way into Hathras as well. Just imagine if this kind of state resources and police was just deployed to ensure the safety of women in the state of Uttar Pradesh, things would have been different today.
Absolutely. Just look at the deployment right behind me. I'll ask Anil to again give you a better pan view of the kind of deployment. I mean, there are hundreds of cops over here from the Uttar Pradesh police and the Delhi police as well, who are, of course, standing by on the other side where we are right now. This is the Delhi side of the toll that we're standing. And if you cross over the toll, which they've barricaded away right now, you cross over, then you, of course, enter into Uttar Pradesh. And like I said, Hathras is about 160 kilometers onwards from here. There are, of course, alternate routes, but what we learn is that the delegation of the Congress party led by Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi are proceeding in this direction because this is where the heaviest deployment is. But it isn't that the Uttar Pradesh police is taking any chances. They've put cops at the Ghaziabad border as well. There is another entry over here as well, which is from the Gautam Budh Nagar Murti side, the statue side. Again, cops have been placed over there as well, but the heaviest deployment that you see is right here because this is where they crossed over from just a couple of days ago, went onwards into, Uttar Pradesh on the Yamuna Expressway, stopped at
I'm going to cut straight across to Aishwarya Paliwal as well, who's joining us. Aishwarya, that entire cavalcade with Rahul Gandhi, Priyanka Gandhi, 35 other Congress party members as well, where have they reached at this point of time? How far away are they from the Delhi-Noida border?
Well, from what we understand at the moment, Chetty, it will take them roughly 15 minutes to reach this spot. This is the spot where we are expecting some kind of a scuffle to take place. Now, the reason why we expect scuffle to take place is because if you just look where I'm standing, I'm in fact standing between these 2 rows. Now, the first row is the front row. These are the people who will try to stop them. Let me tell you very categorically, the first row is majority of the police women, of them are women here, because they are understanding that it will be Priyanka Gandhi also who would want to get down Priyanka Gandhi. From what we are expecting, from what the police here is expecting, is that there will be a lot of women supporters, women Congress supporters also. So in order to deal with them, the first row is of the women police personnel here, the second row, and then there is a third row also. Behind the third row is the barricading which has been done. So definitely the kind of police deployment here clearly shows that they only have one thing to do, and which is to prevent Rahul Gandhi, Priyanka Gandhi and other Congress leaders from breaking this barricade.
Let's go also to Pallavi Saha. Pallavi, this is a democratic country, and the true test of a democracy is in allowing peaceful protests, in making sure that there is an opposition that questions the ruling establishment. And here we are seeing all efforts being made to stop Rahul Gandhi